everyone, this is Chitra. Today I am going to show you very simple and healthy lunchbox recipe, that is carrot rice. For the carrot rice, I have taken all the ingredients. Now I am using 24 cm Eurasia wok. It has 2.8 liter capacity. Now in empty pot, I am adding 1 tablespoon oil, whole spices, 2 bay leaf, 4 cloves and 1 cinnamon stick and 4 cardamoms. Then add cashew nuts, few curry leaves. Now close the pot with lid. Switch on the stove. Now set the audio thumb at roasting window. Now we can see audio thumb is connected with mobile app. Okay. Now it has reached roasting window. Switch to low flame. Switch off the audio thumb and remove. Open the lid. In that add finely chopped onion, 2 to 3 green chilies. Mix it once. Fry till onions turn light brown color. Now add 1 cup of grated carrot, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon garam masala, mix it well and fry for a minute. In that add 2 tablespoons grated coconut, 1 cup of cooked rice, cover and cook for 1 minute. Now the 1 minute is over. Switch off the flame. Open the lid. Finally add 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Then coriander leaves. Mix once. Now the simple lunchbox recipe carrot rice ready to serve. Thank you.